The family failed to fulfill this obligation and is suspected of violating the law.
Eto na, naglabasan na. Eto pa, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga documents na pinakita kanina sa video. Ito. Visit newscast.org, okay? And you can see these documents. Ito yung tons of gold. Maybe it's just an example. Ito yung headline sila. 350 tons of gold. Dark money laundering secrets of the Marcos family in the Philippines exposed, with numerous victims in Thailand. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, ito yung first documents na pinakita kanina sa video. Itong documents na to, tingnan mo yung headings. Imelda Romualdez Marcos. Title, Strictly Confidential. Ang document na itong mga kadunat